Welcome to abroad where you have to fix everything yourself. You buy bed, you fix am yourself, buy cupboard, fix am yourself, buy TV, fix am yourself. Unlike one better beautiful country where you have to enter your neighbor house. Oga Emeka, you dey house? Abeg, if you don brush finish, come help me fix this thing. Oh, we sha miss sha. Anyway, all good. Na be the parable wey talk say who get head no get cap, who get cap no get head. I don buy laundry bag because of my husband to avoid washing black and yellow and white clothes together. Anyway, no be this 2 seconds video where you watch o. It took me almost 1 hour. As I finish, don rough ground finish, na so hungry hold my belle. I remember say I get one small soup wey I don abandon inside fridge, one better okra soup. Thank God it's not my husband favorite. At least only me go suffer chop am and see not dey house. Suffer carry my garri, pour am down, make better hot eba, cover am, make e suffer soak small. I no want the one wey be say go get seed inside. Now suffer do small microwave for my soup, bring am come out, turn am inside pot because na the one wey you use fire take warm. Na im dey sweet pass. As I dey turn the eba, na so the thing dey drag me because the starch wey full inside no be here. Like it's not your regular eba. I no wan make it too strong and strongable as usual. Make it for suffer digest quick for my belle. I add water join am. This is how the Asian people do it. Suffer use your hand do am make inside plate. I say okay, since na me wan chop am, make I still do am make e fine for face. My soup is ready and ready, but abeg make we go chop. My belle dey do pakata kata kata like e dey shout. This one na the okra and small table. Suffer pour am on top. Not me work on dey use dey stress myself. Dey eat for here, dey eat for here. Pour am on top. Use your hand dey cut and reach ground. If you know, you know. Now this one na dey enter your head well. Make I sit down eat well now. Now this brother know say he wan carry his head put for my body. Make I dey rub am. Abeg, make una dey let us breathe. The children, let your mother breathe. Anyways, what are mother for? Before then, make I share with you now. This our beautiful sister touching story wey enter my inbox 3 days ago. Abeg, make you suffer take your time. Listen to this story. Give her your own advice as if na your sister you dey advise. Biko no go have frustration join person already pay when she don carry. This our sister write and say, abeg mama, help me talk about this my pain when I don dey go through for over 6 months. I just need people when I no know at all to give me advice what to do, because at the end of the day I feel say I lose and I lose for everything. I don dey date this guy for over 7 years now. Me and I know say im dey for contract marriage. After 7 years he go divorce the woman, im go get im paper. This one na 7 years now, im don get im own paper. I still dey date am. We suppose don do our marriage as im plan. So the first travel when he travel back to Africa, as im come back, I come notice say everything change about am. Even im mama and his sisters when I dey talk to before, they no come even dey chat me. If I message them, they go take almost 3 days to reply my chat, which is so unusual of them. I call my elder brother, I explain everything, give am say see wetin my guy dey do. Im come tell me say make I ask am say wetin happen or he no want the marriage again. Then one night I can't really wake am up. I can't ask am wetin happen. He no still tell me say anything dey happen. He say everything is fine. Then I ask am say why im family member no dey talk to me again. He can't reply as if nothing really happen. But I can't still chill based on say we no really quarrel. But the way they cut me off, can't still dey wonder me. Then after few months when my guy come back for the first Africa when he go, he come dey tell me say he won't go back to Africa second time again. Now there I come dey wonder, but I still no wan stop am. Make e not talk say I no wan make him go back Africa go see him family. After months and months, when he come back for the second Africa, I notice say as he come back, he change password for him phone. I no get access to him phone as usual again. I no still talk, but everything about him totally changed. And the thing dey worry me, make e no be say he no go marry me after these years wey we don spend together. One night, as him dey sleep, I don already get him password for hand. Na so I enter him WhatsApp, check all messages. I no really see anything. As I just enter Facebook, the first thing when I see among people you may know, na one familiar face when I always dey see for my guy WhatsApp, when in dey talk say na one of their relatives. My sister, my spirit just tell me say click on her. As I click on the picture, I come dey see picture of my guy and this woman, their traditional marriage, meaning say na that first Nigeria where im go, na there they for meet. The second one na traditional marriage they go do. Both all in family member when I know all their pictures they there for the traditional marriage. I can't screenshot all the pictures, send I enter my phone. I don't cry, I don't tire. I don't know what I go do. And na my house the guy they stay up till now. I beg help me share my story. I dey under the comment section. Make I hear from people when I don't know before.